Hello and welcome back to Steam It with Steve. So we're on to our getting towards the end here. So we're up to the number 16 in our last little bit of the course. So we're going to do Master of the Names up here. So use your new coding powers to target nameless enemies. So we're going to go play. And I guess this is going to be able to allow us to target new enemies. So find nearest enemy, I see you. Okay. So your hero must survive, defeat the 3 ogres. Variables contain information to be referenced later. You can assign new value to a variable anytime you want. Use the find nearest enemy to target the nearest enemy. So closest enemy equals hero.find nearest enemy. Let's see what happens. So enemy 1, it's already worked out, is equal to hero.find nearest enemy. Oh cool, so it's even labeled it. That's pretty neat. And then it's gone hero.attack enemy 1. And then enemy now refers to the nearest enemy, attack with that. Now enemy 1 is defeat, call finest near hero, result in the new nearest enemy. Okay, so we've got to go through the process with enemy number 3. So we're going to go enemy 3 is equal to the hero, and he's going to try and find, with a new method, the nearest enemy. So all we've got to do is then type find nearest enemy, and what that will do is it will automatically work out who the nearest enemy is after you've attacked the last 2, and store that in a new variable called enemy3, and then we need to attack that new enemy. So we're going to go hero.attack, and we're going to type in enemy number 3, and then go hero.attack, bracket enemy 3 again. So let's see what happens when we run this guy. Perfect. Right. And it's moved across. Oh, I thought he was about to attack, but it must be a friend. Great. Fantastic. Just get it done. Great, we're up to level 16 now. Okay, so we've got 2 other options down here for 16A and B, and then we've got this challenge. So we'll probably do these practice runs first. So hopefully you've learned something new with that. There's a new method that you can use, so sometimes a hero can actually use methods to work out what the thing is and just do a bit of sensing in the area. So thanks again, see you next time on Steam and Steve. Adios.